Hello.
Hi.
What's it doing? I'm going to take the boat to the daddy.
There's one in the hot tub. Yes, look it over there, buddy.
The shark. It's not a shark.
Yeah,
There's a shark. Whoa, it's got to get water in it. Is there an on button?
I think that's when it doesn't have an on button.
It does?
Does not.
Where's Daddy?
Jack. Jack. Jack.
I think it's so bright, it's hard for him.
Jack. Jack.
He's so enthralled with everything.
Jack.
Ooh, are you kicking? Are you kicking? Oh!
Alright, here comes shark number 2. Whoa!
Jack, say hi. Say hi, buddy. He's smiling. Ooh, it's so fun in here.
I got the fish. I got the fish. I got it.
Well, he's in the water, ain't he?
Then where's the green fish? Where's the green fish? Get the green fish.
What do you say, Nick?
Please. Can you get the green fish, please?
A little chilly.
Is it? Get used to it,
Yeah.
though. It's not too bad.
Not as bad as
Just don't get out.
I want to get out.
Oh, look at the fish, Jack.
It's warm.
Are you moving your legs?
Spin!
They still sleeping? 9.
Okay, I gotta get my body in so I'm warmer.
I'm trying to get the fish. I'm following the fish.
Woo!
Where's the fish heading?
Wow. It's bright out.
It's very bright out.
Jack.
Jack! Jack!
Where's the fish heading?
Jack.
Who's that? It's Daddy! Yay!
It is really bright.
Yay! Woo!
Oh no, I need to catch it.
Ooh, show Daddy how you flow. Ooh.
Good job,
Yeah.
Jack.
Good job, honey. Let's go see the waterfall. Oh, it's, Mommy's gonna have to swim.
I didn't know it was that deep.
Yeah, it gets deep. Are you moving your legs, honey?
Did you put Jack in this thing?
Yeah, he didn't like it. He started to cry. You started to cry, baby. Why?
Uh-oh, there's a fish.
Oh, there's a fish!
Another fish.
Another fish!
Two fishes.
Wow! You're happy.
Say hi, Jack.
Happy, happy
Say hi, Jack.
Yeah, maybe we could just put this, at least keep the
Yeah.
sun out of his eyes. I couldn't find
I think
a
the
hat.
sun is bothering his
I do
eyes.
too. Yeah. See, that'll shade his
Yeah.
eyes.
Oh, wow. That's so cool, Jack.
Butterflies.
Oh, you're styling.
Come on.
Oh, wow, butterflies.
Super Jack.
Oh, that's so great.
He doesn't care. Mwah.
Oh, you gave me a kiss.
Whoa, look at you, baby. Ew, you got some spit in the pool. Ooh, are you floating? Kick
Yeah,
your
the
leg.
sun does bother his eyes. He's, yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, yay. Up.
Oh, he's kicking him. Woo! You're kicking him, dude. Woo! Maybe over here it's less. Yay! Where's the daddy? Woo! He's really kicking. Wow, you're swimming? You want to go in?
Daddy, just see here.
Oh.
I'm putting my fish grill. Look, I have a fish grill.
We got a face here.
I got
A fish was
grill.
caught.
Look,
You want to go in there now, Jack? You want to
look,
go down
the
there?
fishes.
The fish is in there. They're in here. Okay, let's see if Jack wants to go in here now.